The Supreme Court has directed state governments to compensate victims of dog bite incident, holding authorities accountable for the poor enforcement of stray animal control norms. Hearing the matter on Tuesday, the Apex Court cited a persistent failure by states and municipal bodies to implement existing laws related to stray dog management over the past several years. A bench led by Justice Vikram Nath observed that governments cannot evade responsibility as cases of dog attacks, particularly on children and the elderly, continue to rise across the country. The court expressed serious concern over the inaction of civic authorities despite repeated directions on the management of stray animals. It emphasized that effective measures such as sterilization, vaccination, relocation, and strict implementation of animal control rules must be carried out by the state and local bodies without delay. The Supreme Court noted that rising dog bite incidents pose a serious public safety concern and warned that continued negligence would attract further accountability. The ruling places the responsibility squarely on state governments to ensure public safety and provide relief to victims of such attacks.